Hey students, welcome to Educoria once again. So here, today we are going to discuss about socialization, which is the topic of sociology. So here, under this topic, we will learn about what is socialization, as well as we will learn about the stages of socialization. So, we should know about what is socialization. Socialization is a learning to behave in a way which is acceptable by the society. And here it is a process where child will grow up and he will acquire all of the standards, values, skills, attitude which is included in the society or social environment. So next step is stages of socialization. So under this topic we will learn that one child will grow up and acquire all of the socialization values. So under this topic we have 4 stages, that is oral stage, anal stage, latency stage and adolescence. So first of all we should learn about what is oral stage. So oral stage is the stage, begins with the time of birth, which means the age boundaries of this stage is 0 to 1 year. So under this stage, the child will grow up with his oral self-dependence. Here, the child will acquire or establish his desires of eating. Here, his desire should be fulfilled. He wants that only. After that, anal stage. The stage comes after oral stage. In this stage, the age boundaries is between 1 year to 3 years. Here, the person or the child will grow up and he will establish some new behavior or some new desires with some crises. Here, he will acceptable and with his all desires and he wants that it should be fulfilled. Here, here not only he will get the affection by his mother but also reciprocates. Next stage is latency stage. In this stage, the stage starts after anal stage and the age boundaries of this stage is 3 to 4 years to 2 to 13 years. Here, the person will be able to vibe with the social environment. Here, the person will be able to get all of the desires, all of the equipments, which is all involved in the society. Here, the person will be get to know about 4 functions which is going on in his family. Like father, husband is father, wife is mother, son is brother, and daughter is sister. Here, the person or this child will start to go to school and he will involve himself into the society. So last and the final stage is adolescence. Adolescence is a last stage where the age boundaries starts from 13 to 21. Here, the person will be more wedded to the social environment as well as richer. Here, what will happen? The person will wants to get free from his boundaries, which will get by the family or the society. But he will not able to free. At last, in reality, there should be some fights which is acceptable in the socialization. So these are all the topic we discussed today, that is what is socialization and what are the stages of socialization.